Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that has a BMW guys 1 Series. I'm talking about generation E81, E82, E87, E88. And if you're trying guys to find where your radiator fan control module, the computer for the fan is located, stay with us, we'll explain that. We'll also explain what needs to be done to remove and replace it. There is one catch, so make sure you stay until the end guys. This is the radiator fan and sometimes it's way cheaper to replace the module itself than just buying a whole new fan. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, and on BMWs we make even more. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, another thing guys, now if you need to buy a new fan, replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Let me show you what we have here now. Okay, this is the radiator fan guys. Okay, right here, this is the radiator fan. The fan motor is behind the fan itself guys. Okay, right here. So if you need to replace to remove the fan itself, you have 3 screws right here with the Torx. Okay, and I'm going to put the links to the Torx tool that you need in the description of the video below. Also guys, okay, try to install it at the same location that you removed it, simply because okay, sometimes okay, the fan is balanced being okay on the motor itself. That's a weight balancing weight guys, that prevents the fan from vibrating. So make sure, okay, just scratch it somewhere to make sure that you install it at the same position. What I usually do, I mark it here and then I mark the shaft so I know which way it goes. Now, if you look on the back side of the fan, you have that device right here, and some of you will think that's the motor, and some will be right, some will be wrong, but this is actually the module. This is the computer for the radiator fan guys. This is it right here, and unfortunately you cannot replace that control module only. You have to replace it with the fan motor. You have 4 wires coming to it, 2 positive, 1 positive, 1 negative, and 2 control wires coming from the engine computer guys. Now if you need to remove the fan module guys, the radiator fan control module, you have 3 screws that you need to remove. 1, 2, 3. Once you remove that, it will fall out with the fan itself and the motor. Remove these 3 nuts, we'll remove the fan itself, and all we have to do, disconnect the wiring harness from right here. You can see those 2 teeth, spread them out, okay, and the wiring harness comes out guys. Now it's sometimes way cheaper guys to buy the control module with the fan motor and just put it on your housing, fan housing, because sometimes wrecked cars, okay, let's say the car was in an accident, it will break the housing or the fan blade itself, but everything else will be in perfect condition, and people will sell them just the motor and the control module, so you can go ahead and replace it that way. If you need to buy the whole fan, I'll have the link in the description of the video below, but that's where it's located, that's what it looks like guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful, and see you guys next time.